आज सबसे खूबसूरत बात यह है कि हम तीनों के अलावा और कोई जानता नहीं है आप लोग यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं, है ना? खूबसूरत बात है. परसों दिवाली हो गई, or was it yesterday? है ना? You celebrated Diwali here as well. So this was a very interesting thing. By the way, happy Dhanteras. And we thought we'd make a nice beginning to today. And when we talk about beginnings, these two gentlemen on my left have had the most fruitful beginnings many, many years ago. And going by the advance booking, I hear that the beginnings of Prem Ratan Dhan Pai also going to be fantastic. But as far as this beginning is concerned, Surajji, I'd like you to elaborate a little bit so that our eminent personalities here understand why they've all gathered here today. Because everyone asked me this question, sir, ये candid conversation का मतलब क्या है? मतलब आपस में बात होगी या हम लोग बात कर पाएंगे कि नहीं? ये सवाल आया है.
Honestly, this is the biggest promotional event that can happen for us, for any of our movies. You'll soon see why, but 27 years back, we started our journey, and Rashi Productions was giving me my break, and we were going through a low phase. Everything was being put into this film. And my father told me, write a love story. I wrote in English. He told me, translate. I translated in Hindi. We got a script. And everyone felt we should be a new boy, new girl. So that's when one new boy was called. And lot more has to come. But when he first came, I remember outside at the reception, he's sitting. And that time, heroes were big, broad, tall. And he looked very small, very small. And I was thinking, oh, here he is. And Salim Saab's son and big. And then he came, he sat in front of me. But his photographs he showed me. I think Monishi shot the photos. And he showed me the photographs. And the photographs said something different. Even then, I wish I had those photographs to show today. That photograph, those eyes, that jawline. And you see the photograph, you see him, and it was just world apart. Those photographs were magic.
Thank you, Suraj.
And then we decided we'll hold a test. We'll do a screen test for him. And what we have here is a few glimpses of his first screen test of Prem, which we would all like to share because that is our golden moment. And for me, these things are very dear. For 27 years, I did not allow anyone to touch it. And we brought those glimpses in its original form. I've not allowed them to online it. Nothing, just basic restoration. It's his voice. It's our voice. It's our journey. So, Salam, if you want to say something.
He's still paranoid about showing it.
Today morning, just now I asked him here on stage, do we really need to show it?
So I said, no, we need to expose me. कि अगर ये बन सकता है तो हिंदुस्तान का हर बच्चा प्रेम बन सकता है.
And this was shot, his first test was shot 1 week before his birthday on December 87. I think 21st, we'll come to know when. So Salil, if you want to show that.
So as Sir mentioned, we're going back to the audition. Very first audition of Maine Pyar Kiya. Let's...
I haven't seen this. He's kept this away from me as well.
This was not considered
rejected.
Acceptable.
This was rejected because that dialogue.
Kyun?
Because that dialogue was also a little poetic. I wrote about.
No, and Kyun, and he has told me to say it like that.
Yeah, but not like Kyun. So he went on, and there was no voice, there was no throw. So this was more or less, okay, he looked nice, but more or less. But there was another reason why it was rejected. And that was because my first film, and it was supposed to be New Boy, New Girl, and he was already doing one film, Bivi Ho To Aise, and that too a side role. So to bring him into this film, especially after this dialogue, and to make him a hero, and to launch a new pair was a big, big question mark. So for 4-5 months, हम इन्हें टालते रहे.
Sir, one sec. I want to stop you there. Salman sir, what were you feeling after you'd given this audition? Were you feeling confident?
I thought sure shot done. अब राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के अंदर क्या चल रहा है, आई डोंट नो. एंड देन व्हेन दैट 4 months हैपेंड, देन रियलाइज कि यहाँ पर तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. So I went to this, started meeting people again. So there was this one film that was being made by Mr. Suresh Bhagat, who was this same BB Hota Aisi. He was a producer of Mr. K.C. Bukadia's film. So Mr. K.C. Bukadia's production manager, Mr. J.K. Bihari, was making this film. It was a Pakistani remake with Rekha Ji, Farooq Sheikh, Qadar Khan, Bindu Ji. It was like a very big cast at that point in time. So I remember walking into some place in Khar. There was a garage. And Bihari Sahab just told me a few days ago, months ago, कि यार कोई करने को तैयार ही नहीं था. तो ऐसे अगला जो भी इस यहाँ से आएगा ना इस रोल के लिए, कोई भी हो, मैं उस इडियट को ले लूँगा. This about 4-5 months ago he told me. जैसे आपकी कास्टिंग, अगर आप ऐसे सोच रहे हो कि आपकी कास्टिंग के हमको आपकी पर्सनालिटी पसंद आई हो या कुछ टैलेंट देखा हो, बिल्कुल नहीं. हर एक ने इस रोल को रिफ्यूज़ किया. आप आए, हमने आपसे पूछा, हम परेशान हो गए थे, कोई कर ही नहीं रहा था ये रोल. आपने किया, हमने आपको साइन कर लिया.
And that was the story, and so history was allowed to be made also after that then.
And he was doing this film, and we didn't like this test, especially that "Kyun" dialogue. So,
अच्छा, how many retakes did you? You must have tried to say name "Kyun."
10-12 होते रहे.
10-12 हजार.
क्यों? So then 5-6 months हम लोग रोकते रहे. But the most surprising thing was he kept sending boys after boys. इसको ले लो. कोई अपने ही सर पे कुल्हाड़ी तो मारते, पर ये मार रहे हैं. इसको मेरे से better. And this went on. Finally, I went to Satish Bala, where he was shooting for BB Hota Aisi. कि my production Zaki साहब was there. I said कि जाके बोलें तो सही इन्हें कि नहीं कैंसिल, कोई बोले तो सही. तो गए अंदर, and he was shooting with रेखा जी. तो आते ही गले मिल रहे हैं. मैंने बोला कैंसिल होके इनको ले लो. तो कैंसिल होने के बाद भी कोई बोले इनको ले लो, हम बाहर आए. And we said अगर हीरो बनेगा तो यही बनेगा. So what got him the film, Salman bhai, what got us मैंने प्यार किया together is not the actor, it is the man. It is the man in the word Salman. Thank you, Kiran ji, for this thought. And even now, it is the man who wins. It is not the actor. And now we can show the second test हुआ हमारा, जिसमें हमने बाल कटाए. कहाँ पे Salman bhai?
So we went to this one beauty salon called what's it called?
बंद भी हो गई होगी.
Beauty Star.
बैंड्रा में ही था.
हाँ, वो zigzag रोड के नीचे. तो वहाँ पर एक हमारे बाल काटा करता था, उसका नाम सिकंदर है. अभी उसकी नौकरी लग गई है आलिम के यहाँ पर. वो ब्यूटी स्टार बंद हो गया है. So we went there. उसने I think 15 रुपए लिए बाल काटने के लिए. वैसे 5 रुपए लेता था. उस वक्त देखा कि ये हीरो बनने वाला है, तो पहले निपटा उसे.
And मैं ऐसे खड़ा था, कहीं ज़्यादा कट जाए, कम कट जाए, क्या भरोसा, कट गए तो फिर आएंगे नहीं.
I'm surprised he didn't open a series of नाई की दुकान after that. सलमान भाई का हेयर कट मैंने करवाया था, अभी देखो तो बड़े स्टार.
उसके बाद बहुत माइलेज खाया, बहुत फुटेज खाया. अब जब भी मैं जाता था उसके पास, तो ये संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल कर. अरे मैं सलमान खान हूँ, मैं संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल क्यों करूँगा यार. इसे नहीं बाबा, तुम संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल. So for the first 3-4 years, it was only Sanjay Dutt hairstyle that I was supporting. Yeah, Sanjay Dutt बाल लंबा, तो आप बाल लंबा करो संजय दत्त की तरह. संजय दत्त स्पाइक कर लिए, तो आप काट लो संजय दत्त की तरह. Eventually, I had to stop going to him. Then I started going to Roxanne.
And then we had the second test, and this is the clip of the second test, which actually made us aware that this is a superstar. This is a little glimpse, it's just a little bit, but this we were aware कि this is the star. So this is what actually got him the role.
And with that, a star was born. But sir, when you finished this, then were you confident?
Can you imagine that guy walking behind the cycle wala? Is he aware that he was there? वो जो पीछे जो रास्ते में जा रहे हैं वर्ली में, उनको ढूंढो पहले.
So Suraj ji and Salman sir, after this, did you tell him?
Yeah.
Or was it again a waiting period?
No, this was done. We knew that this is the hero. But there is one girl.
No, after that happened, na, they've confirmed me. So now, Bibi Hota Aisi was was complete. So they asked me to see the film, Bibi Hota Aisi. I went and saw the film. I said, the film is good, but I suck. It's like, I'm like terrible in it. I mean, me and Arbaz saw it, and Arbaz was like, I was like, ye kya ho gaya? They dubbed my voice as somebody else, jo bhi hua. So I came out of the theater. From Dimple only I called you up. I said, I just saw Bibi Hota Aisi. And he says, huh? So I said, I'm terrible in the film. They said, then what's the problem? It will not do well. Nobody says, no, the problem is the film is a good film. It will do well. And the more people see it, the more they will say, कि इसको, काय को ले लिए, तो बहुत गंदा है. No one is going to come and see मैंने प्यार किया. I said, I am going out now. I'll come join you as an assistant. So he said, no, but how bad can it be? So I said, come, I'll show you. So then I asked J.K. Bihari साहब, ऐसे वो उन्होंने sign किया. It's not fair. मैं तो आपको पता है मेरी capability क्या है इस फिल्म में कि मैंने कितना खराब काम किया. तो it's not fair that they will have to suffer me. So then he allowed me to keep a trial. They kept a trial in Dimple only. Suraj Babu came in and saw the film, and he comes out of the theater and he says, Salman, why are your eyes looking so big? I said, eyes को तो मैं छोटे कर लूँगा दादा, ये picture आ गई अंदर. So throughout मैंने प्यार किया हमने that. दिख भी नहीं रहा था. It's no, open your eyes, open your eyes.
But there is one girl who we owe our relation to Salman Khan, to Maine Pyar Kyun. We were testing a lot of girls much before. We started testing much before girls, boys and all that. So there was one girl who came, who tested. Her name was Shabana Dutt. Her name is Shabana Dutt. And I remember after doing the test, of course her test was not correct. She told me that there is who hero. I said, we are hunting for boys. Can you suggest? She said, एक लड़का है सलमान खान, जिसके साथ मैंने एक ऐड किया. I think चप्पल का कोई ऐड था. And why don't you? I said, please give the number. कोई भी हो अभी ढूंढ रहे. तो he says, Salim साहब के son. So we were, me, my father, all of us, Salim साहब के son कहाँ करेंगे? No, but a very nice guy. You used to just call him, he'll come like that and take a test. So that is when
चप्पल का ऐड कर रहा हूँ मैं और सलीम साहब के सन को पता है कि काम की कितनी ज़रूरत है. 7.5 रुपए में काम कर रहे हैं. They are thinking in the राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के how will he do it?
So that's when we contacted Honey Uncle, जो सलीम साहब के साथ काम करते थे, to ask him. And that's how, of course, there were 2 other people who had helped us. So 3 people were एक time पे recommended. I have tried at my level. He's trying at his level to contact her. If someone can contact her, please, we owe him just a little glimpse of who she was, because we owe him to her.
Don't go looking for the same face, because I'm sure it must have changed. This 27 years ago. That was with me, and I think when I asked Kailash, okay, who's this girl? He said, I think she was from the agency. So she was from the agency, then I didn't know what she was doing in Suraj Babu's office, auditioning for Bhagyashri's role. But sabko ek hota hai ke, and the fact that she went there and she suggested my name. And then also there's this writer of theirs who was writing for Rashtriya at that time, Mr. Kamar Naqvi. So I went to Lucky Hotel for a narration. Somebody else only was, they used to have all these writers and directors, sitting there at the Lucky restaurant here in Bandra. तो मैं चला गया, तो वो वहाँ पर बैठे थे वहाँ पर. तो there was another director narrating a script to me. Really bad one. तो I had to say no to him. तो इसे तुमको समझ क्या है, तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो ये. तो I think Kamar Naqvi at that point of time understood कि ये समझदार बच्चा है. Because even he as a writer did not like the script. So I think he also came and told Gupta ji and Zaki साहब के, I just met this boy, he's Salim साहब's son. तो 2-3 जगह से people started recommending my name. And before I think you had already finalized Deepak Tijori and Kunal Goswami.
Lots of them.
Yeah. So these 2 names were in the running.
What about the success party and all? Didn't you all meet everybody after that? After it became such a super hit film, sir, didn't you have a big party where everybody came across?
कुछ नहीं सब, पर उसके पहले अभी तो बहुत रास्ते थे.
अच्छा.
First was to find the girl.
Yeah.
Oh, so since then, no contact at all, and she also never contacted you after that. Nothing.
No, there's no.
Wow.
I got her number, but the phone didn't. I mean,
Oh, actually, an angel.
It rang, and then it was like.
But
just
then
no
after
one picked up
this
the
was
phone.
a journey to find the heroine.
Yes.
And then we kept lot of girls. One incident I'd like to share. I'll tell.
Yeah, tell.
Both of us, we had liked a girl, I think at Roshan Taneja ji's acting school. So we saw and we said, this is the girl. Today she's there, she's a mother, and we.
What was her name?
No, it's okay. Obviously. So then.
Shine.
No. So we both liked her very much, but she was the niece of a very big star.
Shine.
Very big, and so we took an appointment, and हमारे गुप्ता जी जो थे वो बोले कि हम जाके permission लेंगे. तो I remember हम दोनों गाड़ी में बैठे हैं, and गुप्ता जी गए उनके घर पे, हम बाहर बैठे कि हीरोइन मिल गई, ऐसा लोग ये वो. गुप्ता जी आधे घंटे बाद, and he said क्या हुआ? बोले नहीं चलो ऑफिस चलेंगे. So हम सब गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं ऑफिस में. He made us sit out. He went to father, and then finally he came out. He said कि नहीं वो सब थोड़ा reservation है. They are saying यश चोपड़ा और अनिल कपूर होते combination तो it would have been a launch. So we have gone through all this, not knowing our own worth. Maybe it was right at that time, wrong. But ये सब journey से गुजरे, and we have a glimpse of the various some girls whom we had tested.
Yeah, there was one girl from Rotterdam or Amsterdam somewhere. I still remember her name, Mariam. She's one of the short she's here. And we thought that she had a very slim face then.
And out of desperation, जो आए test होते गए. But then this is the test, the one which really worked for us. And by the time we are showing you the final test, but one thing was very clear. We shot this at around 2:30 in the night, and we realized he is at his best at that time. You can see by that time
You all will agree with that.
By that time we knew how the stubble looked. By that time he knew what the camera is. You can see the romance in him.
So then, he was so fed up that eventually he said that I want to take Neelam in the film now. I said, yeah. कोई तो एक, established आ गई यहाँ पर हमारे साथ काम करने के लिए. So he was going to go to Ooty. And then suddenly he does not go to Ooty because I think Raj Babu found Bhagyashri. And then he showed me the pictures. I said, is there a sister's role in the film? I said, it's like a sister kind of casting you taking.
So नीलम जी जब मिलती हैं तो आज भी बोलती हैं कि मैंने प्यार किया, आते आते ऊटी रुक गए. The fact is हम आपके कौन भी आते आते रुक गए, तो हम साथ साथ बुलाया भी तो बहन के लिए.
हीरोइन को बहन बनाया, बहन को हीरोइन बनाया. सोचो.
So we'll have a look at that scene now.
This is
was the clincher. Surajji, I have to ask you, was Salman sir on the set once you started shooting? Was he like a really quick learner? Did he take a long time?
You haven't seen the growth from the first test to this one. It's only 1 week, dude.
Okay. But otherwise, what
It has
was...
taken me a long time, 27 years to grow. But then that growth was like really quick.
But otherwise, on the sets, what was the chemistry like? Were you all both a little apprehensive? Were you a little bit doubtful sometimes at all? Or was it full confidence once you said take and scene one?
No, बहुत time
Oh,
लगा.
Suraj Babu, don't expose them.
बहुत time लगा, but one quality of Salman bhai which has really taken him to where he is today is that even at that time he was never afraid of making a fool of himself. He was not afraid कि अगर
Some things never change.
but there have been incidents when he's going for the shot and he says one more. कितने भी बड़े एक्टर हो सब नहीं तो हम सब we are worried लोग क्या बोलेंगे लोग, but never it has been. So that is what makes him so natural today. So the journey has been take after take, but by the time this film was over, it was one take. Even today, he doesn't require any more than one takes.
But so many years of retake ka practice, no?
But there was also...
There was a scene where in the mandir I had to give a cue to Alok Nath ji, and I was missing that. So all I says, "Kyun Babuji?" And when his lines were over, and then my line came, I almost became Shah Rukh Khan. "Kyun Babuji?" What was that? Because you're working with Alok Nath in front, and first time you're working with somebody who's there in the film industry and popular, तो आवाज ही नहीं निकलती थी बाहर. And then, so whatever you see of Alok ji right now, that whole sanskari bit is Suraj Babu.
No, but everyone says Salman Khan, everyone says big star, lucky, but there are some things I know what he has gone through because I've been through those times. I've been through that time when we have finished dubbing him. We've gone to the mixing studio. Both of us are sitting at the back. Our mixing, and that mixing engineer used to mix Prakash Mehra film, Manmohan Desai film, huge table, both of us sitting at the back. And he starts mixing, he hears the first reel and he tells my father, Raj Babu, this, you have to dub his voice. Ye to film gayi, nahi to. And both of us look at each other. He says, ye to, and he didn't care.
No, yeah, because even the earlier film Bivi Hota Aisi, they dub my voice. I say, yaar, dub karo, kisi se bhi kara lo. Ye picture aani chahiye, bahar pe dekhenge apan.
And he said, dub karo, iska to kuch theek hai, but picture. So I remember coming out, we have to hunt, and my father goes in, and he tells the engineer that naya ladka hai, you have to give him one more chance, to himmat jayegi. And we read up the whole film. Earlier, we dubbed in the mornings, then we dubbed in the afternoons, in the evenings. And today, no one has the guts to tell him one more at dubbing. So that has been struggle.
I do it on my own only. That 10 more I only give. Before anyone says cake or sir, I only give 10 different variations of that. But the amazing thing is, a 20-year-old boy had the courage at that point of time to cast me. And he was there right in front of me at every given time, whether it be dubbing, whether it be the casting, whether it be one more retake, it would be I'm sure that this film would have been made in the amount that they used to make films at that point in time, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. But I'm sure that 1 crore 11 lakhs or 20 lakhs का जो budget गया होगा, उसमें मेरा बहुत बड़ा हाथ होगा. Because if you calculate that, those 10, 15 retakes, if you calculate कि उस वक्त तो we used to shoot on negative, तो raw stock used to be very expensive also. So एक rehearsal हुआ, एक take हुआ, second take हुआ, नहीं rehearsal कर लो 4-5 rehearsal ठीक हो गए, फिर वापस से किया. So that I remember that one, we got stuck on a lot of things. But there's that one scene, माँ तू ऐसा कर, तू मेरे लिए ऐसी लड़की ढूंढ, boy cut, ये वो bob cut वगैरह, वो that scene. We started at 10:30. The late आना का हमेशा था थोड़ा सा problem था from the first film. अरे how much tension he used to give me यार, because अभी तक that sadma is still not gone. That everyone's going to be waiting. So I used to try and go to sleep at 9 o'clock. 9:30 I used to be wide awake. And then from there, trying to sleep, tossing, turning, और यही ख्वाब आते थे कि लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, उठो, लेट हो जाऊंगा. And then, वाकई में I used to get late. फिर वो नींद मुझे आती थी 6:30 बजे कि 5 में सो जाता हूँ. Suddenly I have to wake up 8:30 बज गए. And now I've got to reach Natras studio Andheri. So sit in the car means drive. The Lakshman Dada used to drive me. I used to park the car on the highway. I used to run off. I used to do parkour then. I used to run from the highway. I used to come into State Studio, jump the wall of State Studio, run into Natraj and stand there. Where are you? Your car? There's a car is outside there, parked. When you came? I was here at 8 o'clock in the morning. ये 1.5-2 महीने चलता रहा एक दिन. So one day he figured something fishy is going on. So now I'm jumping the wall and he sees me in high speed. He's standing right next to the wall. I said, this is not fair, Suraj Babu. Yaar. Suraj, don't give me this time. 9 baje, yaar. 7 o'clock shift, I'll never be late. But 9 o'clock is that time that you fall asleep. So one day, what is that? Hum Saath Saath. In Hum Saath Saath Hain, same problem. 7 o'clock shift. I was there at 7:15 in the morning. Huh? He showed me the watch. I said, nice watch, Suraj Babu, new one. 7:15, everyone ready with dress and all. That's okay. Next day, I went there at 4:30 in the morning, dressed up, and I sat down there. 4:30 in the morning, party karke chala gaya wahan par. There. So then I think More was there. He called up Suraj Babu in the room. He says, "वो सलमान भाई आके ready makeup के साथ बैठ गए यहाँ पर." So he comes 5:30 in the morning. He says, "I'm married man. I've got children. Don't do this to me."
But this has been a journey. Then came Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I wrote the script, and honestly, when I wrote the script, when we wrote, not many had the faith in this. So I remember Salman Bhai, Sangeeta both came to the house, and when I narrated him, he loved the script. One of the few people who loved, and he said कि इस picture में best ये कि ना कोई hero heroine कोई नहीं है, सभी hero heroine है, including the dog. And literally he was a big star at that time, and there have been songs where he's like a junior artist, a dancer sitting in the Samdi Samdan गाने में पीछे 6-7 दिन तक सिर्फ ताली बजा रहे हैं. My DOP, my assistant asking, sir, he'll feel bad. But nahi, he's there and he's clapping because he knew the film. Then came Hum Saath Saath Hain. Hum Saath Saath Hain mein, I casted him in a sober role. And I remember that time, he told me, Suraj Babu, let me do the third role. ऐसे नहीं सल में वो सब हम लोग ने कर लिया, एक संजीत की ऐसा एक करेंगे ऐसा रोल. So he agreed and he did. And yes, after the release, a lot of people told me, Arey, we wanted to see Salman Khan in that role, in this role. But I felt, oh, did I make a mistake? But the best part was when his dad, Salim Saab, came out of the trial, he says, Salman, this is your best role. So this has been our journey. In Hum Saath Saath Hain, I remember I wanted Salman Bhai, he was a character who was saying, why is there poverty outside? Why is there suffering outside? Why is there dukh outside? That was the character. And what we have here in this film is the same Prem who has the answer to all those questions. So Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is our answer to all those questions, all those answers to all the journey that we have had together to answer and to tell us what this Ratan Dhan is all about. So this is our journey, Salil. This has been where we have come.
So it's a complete circle that is finally closed. It's been wonderful. A big round of applause there for what we saw.
After seeing this, the screen test, I just realized that how similar Suraj and me used to be then. What happened to me? It's because of you.
So there's a small question. It's a very big word that... Yeah, please, please. इस पिक्चर का मैं एक सवाल करना चाहता हूँ आपसे. लास्ट ईयर एक शब्द बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था, उससे पहले शायद भारतीय लोगों को ये पता नहीं था, वर्जिन. इट वाज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर. एंड इस पिक्चर में भी किसी का ये ऐसा नाम है सर. तो इसकी कहानी क्या है?
क्या सलील स्टार्ट इसी से किया.
सोचा कि गूगली डाला जाए.
All the scenes that I have written till now with him, मैंने हमेशा ना एक राम लिखा, then कृष्ण ये बनाते हैं. So this has been our rapport since he has his own way of putting this Prem. So इस फिल्म में there is Anupam ji's role, Anupam Kher's role, who's playing a prime minister of a royal family. So when I conceived the role, I said, okay, this is Anupam sir. I told him that this is your role, and you are very much honored with the late Maharaj, because जब आपकी शादी हुई थी तो बारात आप महल से निकाली थी महाराज ने. आपके दोनों बच्चे अब्रॉड रहते हैं, आपको बार बार बुलाते हैं, बट आप नहीं जाना चाहते बिकॉज ऑफ योर लव फॉर द रॉयल फैमिली. तो अनुपम जी ने अपना माइंड सेट किया, कपड़े वपड़े बने, आधा सीन पिक्चर शूट हो गया. एक दिन ये बोलते हैं कि नो, ही शुड बी अ वर्जिन because he has a special relationship with Anupam ji. So where does this come? We don't know. हम तो कोई और किरदार लेके चलें. And he wants to conceive a certain humor with Anupam sir. Anupam ji मुझे बोले मेरी तो wife, मेरे तो बच्चे, तो ये कहाँ कैरेक्टर जा रहे हैं? मैंने कहा ये सब कैंसिल, राष्ट्रीय फिल्म में कहाँ आएगा ये? तो मैंने बोल दिया ये सब नहीं, पर इन्होंने टेक शुरू किया, इन्होंने बोल दिया वर्ड, ओके हो गया, बिकॉज सब हंस दिए। अब उसको निभाते निभाते हमको पूरे 3-4 सीन करने पड़े। सो दिस इज व्हाट ही इज, ही गेट्स हिज वे आउट। सो दिस इज हाउ दिस,
but there's always a nice तड़का to it, that's why the taste always remains fantastic. सर एक कहानी जो ट्रेलर लॉन्च के टाइम पे,
No, he was called Bapu in the film.
Yes.
So now this is the backstory that I knew, but now we've not showing the backstory. So I said, Bapu, now Bapu is giving me advice on how to lubhao Sonam, Maithili. तो I said, आपके कन्याओं के एक्सपीरियंस से आप मुझे बताइए कि इस ब्यूटीफुल नारी को मैं कैसे लुभाऊं. This says, now he realizes कि मेरे पास तो कोई कन्याओं का एक्सपीरियंस तो है नहीं. तो after I said, सिर्फ नाम के बापू है, वर्जन बापू, and I ran away from there.
So that's what this film, it has bits of him and bits little like these things.
अच्छा, very conveniently all this stuff is put onto me right now.
अच्छा एक ट्रेलर लॉन्च के टाइम पे एक सवाल था, when we saw glimpses of 2 different yous. अब तो बाहर कुछ खबरें भी आ गई हैं कि there are 2 yous in this film. It's a double role. I'm sure you can confirm that also. What is
Yeah,
that?
no, it's a double role.
So what is that zone? One good and
But
one bad?
there is no Ratan. There is Vijay and there is Prem. Now he'll be the best person to describe both the characters.
There is a double role in this film of Salman Bhai. One is a Prem who does Ram Leelas, who's from Ayodhya, who knows the Ramayana kanthast every doha. And there is a prince, there is a Vijay, there's a prince who speaks French, Italian, German. There is one prince who says that अगर इसे ही family कहते तो हर आदमी अकेला तन्हा ही अच्छा. And there is a Prem who says that हर family में problem है but वो खुश नसीब है जिनकी family होती है. So in this film we have 2 Salmans debating on family, on the base of family, on the sanctity of family, and both loving in their own ways. Both are right, no one is wrong. So this is what, yes, there is a double role.
I like the confirmations. You know what I'll do before we got a little surprise? I would open out to anybody who want to ask any questions. And it's small. You can actually stand up and ask, or just sit and ask also if you're loud enough.
हेलो, चेक.
इतना soft नहीं, थोड़ा सा loud.
सूरज जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपकी फिल्मों में पेट्स ज़रूर होते हैं, लाइक एनिमल्स, लाइक हैंडसम भी था, अभी टफी भी था, तो इस फिल्म में कौन दिखने वाला है?
मेरी नहीं सुनी. For one shot, I wanted a parrot in the film.
तो इस बार हमें
one shot के लिए जब हम लोग जा रहे हैं अयोध्या से, हम लोग जा रहे हैं राजस्थान, तो संजय मिश्रा हमें छोड़ने जा रहे हैं, तो उनके पास एक पिंजरे के अंदर एक तोता है. वो बोलता है कि बोलता है I love you मिट्टू, I love you. तो तोता भी बोलता है I love you. ये चल रहा है, सीन के अंदर चल रहा है I love you, और हमको मत छोड़ के जाओ यार, I love you यार, कहाँ छोड़ के जा रहे हो आप हमको यार, तो I love you. तो मैं जाके पिंजरा खोल देता हूँ, मिट्टू come back, I love you too करके मिट्टू निकल जाता है. Sorry, that is why he didn't keep it. अब मुझे समझ में आया.
No,
Hi Salman, I'm from the Bus Diary.
It is just that but there are horses in this, there are elephants in this, there is coronation scenes, there is a very important carriage sequence in the film.
Beautiful sequence there.
It's a very important sequence in the film. So the horses are very much there.
सलमान, ऑन लोकेशंस अगर कुछ ऐसा वाकया हुआ जो आप शेयर करना चाहें, क्योंकि काफ़ी अरसे बाद आप सूरज जी के साथ काम कर रहे थे.
The most beautiful thing in this movie was Suraj Babu used to come and wake me up in the morning. Get up, have your breakfast. This is the scene. This is the scene. There's one Prem, there's one Vijay, there's one Maithili. यहाँ से शुरू होता था. This is one. Second one, third scene. These 3 we're not doing today. This is the one, 4th one we are doing today. So that is how you will see me so much in character throughout the film, because every day Sonam, me, everyone had Suraj's personal attention. Even the small actors, the junior artists, they were all explained each and every scene. From the DOP to the action director to the song directors, even if they come in for one song, he has narrated the whole subject to them. So now when Suraj narrates, he doesn't look at anything, right from Maine Pyar Kiya. He knows the whole script by heart, from the titles to the songs. He will sing the songs to you with the lyrics. He will describe in the songs कि इस type के movement होने वाले हैं, ये montages आएंगे, ये BGM होगा, this is the interval point, this is, and the action also he'll explain to you कि इस action के behind क्या है. With every scene will come कि Salman bhai, when my father, one day my son Avnish, one day Vinita, my wife, one day my mother. So there is everything that is somewhere related to the family. He has always worked कि मेरे घर में ये हुआ है, मेरे आंट के घर में ये मैंने देखा है, ये मैंने सुना है, so it all comes through real life. That is the most beautiful quality about any of Suraj's films. इसमें कोई आप देखोगे तो इसमें कोई ऐसे कुछ सीन्स आपको नहीं दिखाई देंगे. आपको ह्यूमर दिखाई देगा, आपको रोमांस दिखाई देगा, लेकिन आप ये पिन पॉइंट नहीं करके बोलोगे कि वाह क्या सीन है. But then when the emotion takes over, you will not even realize कि ये खुशी के आंसू हमारे आंख में आ कैसे गए. हम तो बहुत एक साधारण सी just a simple love story देख रहे हैं हम. ना इसमें कोई स्मूचिंग है, ना इसमें कोई एक्सपोजर है, कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just girl, boy. It's just family. And suddenly you get drawn into this. That is because of the references from real life, that pureness of the heart, the simplicity. हम सब complicated होते जाते हैं as we grow. This is one man who is getting simpler and simpler and simpler. जितना जितना दिमाग आता है हमको, हम कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं. दिमाग इसलिए दिया गया है कि कॉम्प्लिकेशंस को सॉल्व करो. हम लोग उल्टा ही कर रहे हैं. हम लोग सिंपल लाइफ को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर रहे हैं. ही इज गॉट इट वेरी करेक्ट. ही इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लाइफ को हम सिंपल कर रहे हैं. तो व्हेन यू सी हिज फिल्म्स, यू जस्ट देखते 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 जस्ट get into it. And that is the reason why you see most of the kids, the youth, they love it because they relate to it. There's a very childlike quality in the films that we've done together. In fact, all his films. And then it touches you. That at that age of, your parents, your brother, your sister, बाद में जाके प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाते हैं. But that early age, that is tapped by him.
Hi Salman, I'm from the Bus Diary. My question is actually to the both of you. When you look back at your time when you guys started together, what is the first thought that comes into your mind? How happy you guys are, or there's some point in between your journey that you want to change कि ये अच्छा होता और हम कुछ अलग कर सकते, or you want to explore some more?
Yesterday we did that small thing. यहीं पे किया था अपन ने, महबूब में ही किया था. I was sitting right beside Suraj Babu, and Sonam was sitting right next to me. In the end came Deep Rana. Deep Rana had also tested for Maine Pyar Kiya. Just imagine if he would have taken Deep Rana in the movie as Prem. I would have been standing there somewhere. So that one decision of casting somebody can turn somebody's whole life around. So whenever you take that decision, you recommend somebody, you need to be 100% sure. Because you're changing one life and you're not changing the other.
So you stay so busy, how you guys manage time together, fun time, or that friend thing?
Our timings don't match only.
Don't match.
But Surajji, would you have wished to have made more films with him?
You've seen that movie Lady Hawk? On that wolf and that hawk. There's a film that we saw a very long time ago called Lady Hawk. There's a curse on this couple that the man will be a man in the day and the girl will be a hawk, and he will be a wolf when she is the woman in the night. So this is all sunrise, sunset. So by the time he goes to sleep, I start waking up.
Suraj sir, over here. So you know, usually
Well, I have to tell you one superb sequence. So all the Eid parties and all the stuff, he's always there. So now he'll come in. So this is right after Hum Saath Saath Hain. Hum Saath Saath Hain, came and became a big hit. And so now there's a party in Galaxy Apartments. Suraj Babu walks in at about 10:30, 11. He comes out. So Ketan Desai is standing with me. This is Suraj Barjatia. Yeah. So I did that. So Suraj, he came like that. Yeah. He came. I think Raj Babu has lied to him. So I said, what? No, I have a feeling, Salman, Raj Babu has lied to Suraj कि मैंने प्यार किया was a flop, हम आपके हैं कौन was a flop, and हम साथ साथ हैं is a flop. That you have destroyed Rajshri, you made 3 flops. That's why he said, look at the man, look at the way he's coming. This is not the body language of one of the greatest directors of Hindi cinema. That's what do you want to do? See, if I was him, I'd have come in boots, underwear, tie, and with a sword in my hand. Died laughing. I have died laughing. I said, how can you say? As soon as he walked, I said, this is what he had to say about you.
Hi Suraj sir, over here. So you know, usually advance booking for the films open 3 days before the release, but this is one of those rare films wherein you have opened it 5 days. So what was the reason for the same?
One is opened by mistake also, no?
By mistake, in Chennai, they were to open Kamal sir's film, हमारी खोल दी गलती से 1 घंटे के लिए तो बुक हो गए टिकट्स तो बंद किया. No, the reason essentially is because it is Diwali time and we really want a lot of families to come together. तो कई बार ऐसे सुनने में आता है कि नहीं टिकट नहीं है साथ में जाना. वी वांट चॉइस सीट्स, वी वांट टू टेक एवरीवन, स्पेशली एल्डर्स के लिए इट इज़ लॉट टू क्लाइम अप. सो वी ओपनड पहले सो दैट एक्चुअली ग्रुप्स कैन कम, दे कैन टेक देयर ओन सीट, दे कैन टेक देयर ओन चॉइसेस. सो दैट वाज अ डिसीजन.
And so, you know, you must have kept special screenings of the film for family and friends. So what is the best compliment which you have got so far for the film?
We've compliments. Actually, I really don't know because we've had our trials, we've had our reactions, we have made changes accordingly because trials we keep having full every time. But the greatest compliment that I can have is that whoever comes to see the film says, can I come again to show to my mother, my grandmother, my grandfather? So that shows that there is that merit which I want in the film.
Suraj sir, there were some reports of censor board objecting to a few words, which we were quite surprised, So is it true? I mean, 3 words or so, there were some objections. Did it happen?
Yeah, that is true. There was some objection, but there was nothing out of box. It is in context of the picture, which easily we removed. So there was no...
But were you did you agree with it? Because
of course.
Yeah.
No, I agreed because actually they're not affecting the story.
Okay.
So it was easily removed. We were prepared also.
What is that song? In the song only it was there, no? How does it go? Huh?
No, in the song, we have a Ram Leela song. There were certain parodies of films. So we were told we should not keep. So we removed. It became much more neat.
How did, from the song, it moved into the parody? How did it go?
No, he wants me to sing. No.
Listen na.
Suraj
narrate
ji
that to me. Narrate it to me.
Let's all clap for Surajji and we can hear him sing.
You clap, you not do it. Just narrate that to me, na? From that.
No, his introduction starts first with Nach Meri Bulbul. It starts with that. And then, of course, it goes to होने दे आज हल्ला, देखे गली मोहल्ला, चाहत के माथे चंदन का टीका, है राम सीता इसमें, शर्मो हया की रस्में, जिनमें मोहब्बतों का तरीका, सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला, राम सिया की देखो निराली प्रेम लीला. So उसमें नाच मेरी बुलबुल, that we had to remove.
So
He
then,
made me sing.
yeah, from there, so it was a parody. From there, it goes into Nach Meri Bulbul, then it goes into another one as well, no?
मार दिया जाए, छोड़ दिया जाए. So
अब वो आप सेंसर बोर्ड से पूछो.
Salman, talking
Sal-
about, yeah, Salman Lipika. Namaskar.
नमस्कार.
Talking about the childlike quality, you have one in you. Would you like to expose it to the media
मेरे में
today?
child है.
Not that one.
मैं उसी को जन्म
Not
दे
the
दूं?
9-month wala. Not the childlike quality. And how have you maintained the
You know,
innocence?
but just
how have
innocence,
you,
innocence. से मुझे
innocence
वही.
intact.
वही. It's there.
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Would you like
This
to?
is where the innocence is. Innocence से हमको when we were showing. I'll take name also. Yeah. So no, but it's a superb name to take. So मैंने प्यार किया was complete the rush stage. So I was calling all my friends and everybody. I was to work out at the Sea Rock. So everyone from Sea Rock came. So Zeenat Aman was there. She used to work out there at the Sea Rock. She at that point in time was married to Mazhar Khan. So I said, come and see the film, Zeenat ji. So she came to see the film. She came out of the film and she says, I said, what? This is childish. It's not a love story. So I said, why do you say that? He said, I'm going to shut my eyes and you are rubbing Idex on the ankle. So I said, because the scene was actually such that she got hurt below her knee, but Bhageshi said that I will not show my knee. So I think from there, my knee, my mude. ये गाना आया. So we had to do on the ankle. But this is ridiculous. I can understand कि mid-thigh पर, and you rubbing, and there you say that, that I'll shut my eyes. I can understand that. But ankle and... I told him. He said, but now what to do? That happened. So Bhageshri unknowingly has contributed a lot to our thing. There came a kiss thing. So I said, kiss, abhi kaise karunga? I said, Suraj Babu, I am slightly uncomfortable with it. He said, you're uncomfortable? So you I can still convince. She is still refusing to do it. So refusing? This is a love story. This is, that one kiss. Not thodi ke, there's no spit swapping happening. There's no smooching happening there. It's just that. So I said, that? Okay. That much, just one, that much. So, this is a Rajshri film, yeah? So, I said, okay, chalo. She said, no. So, walking around. What it does, then now the belt is gone shorter. One belt used to be going throughout. Then one pen used to be here. Oh, pura ink yahan par gira hua hai. Walking. 2 20-year-olds walking, one walking this side, one walking that side. He said, done. Does not need to do it. Huh? Kaanch leke aao. I said, this is brilliant. So that kaanch has come because... Then came short dress. She had agreed to wear the short dress. Now she's getting married. So no short dress, Himalaya mountain is sitting on there. I said, मेरी बीवी शॉर्ट ड्रेस नहीं पहनेगी. तो ऐसे ये लो. तो ऐसे now what to do? तो ऐसे me getting angry, blank, he thinking angry. That's it. Done. He says your heroine is for your eyes. My wife is for my eyes. Nobody needs to see. वो रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा लेके आओ। वो फोल्डिंग वाला रिफ्लेक्टर होता था, तो गोल्ड रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा काटे उन लोग ने, दो को ज्वाइन किया और पीछे से दिखाया कि ये शॉट है, and they were
No,
like,
but honestly, what he and Bhagyashree did really made the film, because you suddenly know that this is Maryada. Nothing works better anywhere than Grace, you know.
हाय सलमान, वसीम है फ्रॉम इंडिया न्यूज़। सबसे पहले धनतेरस की ढेर सारी
आपके सवाल का जवाब मिल गया ना?
हाँ है। मैंने प्यार किया से आप ओवरनाइट सुपरस्टार तो बन गए थे, लेकिन शायद हमने ये सुना कि कई सालों तक स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था, फिर से अपने आप को एज ए हीरो लॉन्च करने के लिए तलाश रहे थे, लेकिन हर डायरेक्टर हर प्रोड्यूसर यही चाहता था कि आपको भाग्यश्री के साथ एज ए कपल साइन करे।
प्रॉब्लम ये तो हिमालय नहीं चाहते थे ना, हिमालय को उन्हीं के साथ काम करना था। So at that point in time when Bhagyashree quit, तो it became like ये तो पिक्चर भाग्यश्री की है, सलमान खान तो was just lucked out fluke. In that time, one producer came and signed me, and his name was Himesh Reshammiya. Himesh Reshammiya must have been about 15 and a half years old. Seriously.
Okay.
Before the film released, Himesh Reshammiya and Bubby Kent were the two people who signed me. But the first one to sign me and start shooting, Bubby Kent was still waited. You know, कि picture चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, all that. But Himesh did 2 days of shooting at ये अपना लालबाग का जो राजा है ना, that whole street, huh? Yeah. He shot with me there. So it was, before the release, I was still shooting for मैंने प्यार किया. So he could, get away with that. So he was the one, and so in this song also, Chandi ki dal par sone ka mor, was a song that was recorded for that film. They remember that name of the film was called Yuva.
Okay.
And after that, मैंने प्यार किया.
But मैंने प्यार किया के बाद, Sanam, remember you were telling me 6 months तक no one is...
No work.
No work.
I used to call him, I said, Suraj Babu, biggest film ever. Bigger than my father's film, Sholay. My father is saying, I'm so glad कि मेरे बेटे ने मेरा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा. तो ऐसे डैड आपके पास पिक्चर है बहुत थी, उसके बाद यहाँ पर कोई नहीं आ रहा. So then Deepak Shivdasani, I remember, came to me with a remake of I think it was a Bengali film. And so the Mithunda and 17 Brothers. It was a very old film that he wanted to make a remake of. So I met him at the Sea Rock, and he says कि ये है, and जो 17वां भाई है ना सबसे छोटा वाला, वो तू है. As it is कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, उसके ऊपर से दीपक शिवदसानी, and so I didn't feel like eating anything. क्या कुछ खाएगा ऐसे, क्या खाऊं अभी, भूख ही मार दिया. So and I decided at that point in time कि now is back to direction. I should be an assistant now. इसके बाद 6 महीने तक कोई काम ही नहीं, अब इसके बाद क्या काम मिलेगा? So I said let it go. And then I saw this one woman walking in a red sari. So in the Sea Rock, I still, straight remember the visual. So I said, I'll go into direction. I'll start directing, I'll start writing. Because I don't want to do this kind of stuff. तो ऐसे पागल हो गया, अपने आप को समझता क्या है, all that stuff happened. तो ऐसे क्या है तेरे पास, script क्या है तेरे पास? तो ऐसे I've got this one plot of, and I can see this girl walking. I've got this one plot of this girl who is been broken down into becoming a prostitute. And this one guy who goes with his friends there, and they, save her and they get her out of that, and he eventually ends up marrying her. Bagi. ये हुआ conversation. He said, now, सुनाएगा मेरे को? तो हाँ सुन लो. तो he said, कब? तो I said, कभी भी अगले महीने. नहीं मुझे कल सुना दे. Now I had to go back and write the whole one line of the film. So I wrote the whole film. As soon as I ran from Sea Rock, came home, started writing that whole one line. In that time came, my dad has spoken to Mr. G.P. Sippy कि मेरे बच्चे को कुछ नहीं हो रहा सर, सबसे बड़ी हिट होगी, 6 महीने तक कोई भी नहीं आया है. Nobody, no A, no B, no C grade, nobody has come home to sign me for a film. तो he says, sir, वो एक announcement दे दो. So then GPCP साहब gave the announcement. Ramesh Turani was very instrumental in getting me the second film because he heard that GPCP had signed the me for a movie, just an announcement. He has gone and signed the music at that point of time for 5 lakh rupees. So the film Patthar Ke Phool was made because of that 5 lakh rupees that GPCP gave, that Mr. Ramesh Taurani gave Mr. GPCP. So wahan se then there was a lot of
Hi Salman sir.
films. Yeah.
Sir, hi Suvigya. My name is Suvigya. सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको बर्थडे की एडवांस में विशेस देना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि शायद तब तो मैं आपके पास होऊंगा नहीं विश करने के लिए सर ये जानना चाहता था कि 27 इयर्स में उस टाइम में और इस टाइम में आपको क्या एक कुछ चेंजेस आए सर के साथ काम करने में लाइक उस टाइम में और इस टाइम में आपको कुछ ऐसा लगा कि
I don't think there's any change. The rapport is the same. In fact, I mean, we understood each other as well as we understand each other now. So that connect, that bonding is very very strong. And जब तक the actor and director का bonding नहीं होता, the chemistry between the girl and the boy will never come across. So because the writer, the director has to bond really well with the actor. And now because we've been friends for such a long time, our careers have started together. Rashtri's, I'm here because of Rashri and Suraj Babu. So our journey has been like really, really very comfortable, very, very comfortable.
But for this film, when I went to him with the script, he's wanting to go back and back and back. I said, 27 saal, he wants to go back. He has understood the script much more than me. He's made it purer and purer. There's a part in this, Arman is playing a villain. So he dies in the end. So one day Arman came to me. I said, सूरज जी मैं सलमान भाई मुझे बोले कि बहुत अच्छा एंड सोचा है. मैंने कहा क्या? बोले नहीं वो एंड में तुम मर रहे हो ना. तो बोले नहीं सूरज बरजाते के पीछे क्यों विलन मरे? वो बोलता है मैं भी मैंने बोला तो ही सेइंग कि नहीं मुझे मारो मुझे मरने तो मुझे जिंदा नहीं रहना है. I want to die. But that's what he believes. He said like as pure.
Suraj Barjatya film, if we cannot turn the negative into positive, then, but we've not done it. We'll do the next one. But yeah, that would have been so lovely. कि इतनी सारी पॉजिटिविटी के अंदर एक नेगेटिव आदमी यहाँ पर I should not be खुद हाथ छुड़ा देता है. But we didn't have time to shoot that.
Okay, Salman sir,
but I really want to tell everyone that please see this film because our endeavor here is to get Salman Bhai back into family mode, and my personal motivation has been that through this character, if we are able to change people, for good. You change people, if we can change a family, if we can, because this is a platform in Salman Khan which has such a big connect with the common man. And what he says was here, what he's saying is very subtle, but he can change people. That's what I would like, people to go to see his films in future.
Okay, Salman sir, mera sawal
I'll just take one question and wrap up there. Okay, since he already started speaking.
This film is not about the numbers. This film is not about promoting it, that you must go and see the film. This film is about go and see it with the family.
Okay.
If you're alone, one or two, see when you go, whenever you get time, go and see this film with your family. Sabko gher ghar ke leke aao. Make this as, when we used to go for picnics with the family, make this one outing with your whole parivar. Trust me, you will love it.
Salman,
it's a full on entertaining film. You will love it.
Okay, Salman, sir, on your left, this is Karmik from ikarmik.com. On your left, Salman. The
okay,
question
so you were
is
actually taking his, but we'll finish off with you then.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Aap kar lo.
Salman, the question is to you as well as Mr. Barjatya. The first time when you made, the character Prem, and when you shot with him, and the film was such a huge success, 27 years back, did you guys ever think that you guys are going to come so far, and Prem is going to be as good as your second name? And beech mein aisa bhi hua that you had a few other Prems, but now you're back here with Salman, and we are very glad to see the two of you together. Tell us a little about that first movie and your and whether you thought that it's going to go so far.
Actually, a lot of people ask me why this name Prem has come across. Actually, there is no big story behind it. I had written the script, and I had written hero, heroine, hero, heroine. Now we had to name the hero. So we said नाम क्या रखे? उस ज़माने में संजय चलते थे, पंकज चलते थे, वो सब वो दौर था, राजेश और नाम थे. So we looked back, तो उस समय हमारी सबसे बड़ी हिट थी दुल्हन वही जो पियामन भाई एट राष्ट्रीय. तो उसमें हीरो का नाम प्रेम था. तो वी थॉट चलो हीरो का नाम प्रेम ले लो, उसी बहाने उसी लक चाम के साथ अपनी पिक्चर भी निकल जाएगी. तो वहाँ से वो प्रेम लाया. बट उस समय लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेड ये प्रेम कोई नाम रखते हैं कि इट इज कंसिडर वेरी लो शैलो. खानदानी में प्रेम एंड प्रेम चोपड़ा जी, प्रेम नाजी, दे ऑल विलन्स. सो आई रिमेंबर वी पुट इट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ लक चाम. That is the only way. I had no thesis, nothing. But it's that one name and then one character I write. He works, he portrays, he says it in a different way. That has been the journey.
You went quite against the norm in a number of things. I mean, you were trying very hard to make sure that this was going to be very different from what I hear completely, sir. So you must be very relieved also when it did well. Okay. Yeah.
Throughout this whole journey,
Yes, sir.
27 years, we've also lost, Lakshmikant Berde. We've lost Mr. Ajit Bachchani.
We lost both our DOPs.
DOPs, Mr. Rajan Kinagi, Lad Saab. So, that. In fact, Jai Master. It was, I was supposed to, this is before the film started, I was supposed to meet Jai Buradi, the dance director of Maine Pyar Kiya. So I'm coming back from town one day, and I see this one guy with these two guys on a scooter, Laminator, remember, and they overtake me, and they go ahead. So I look at him, he's wearing a vest, and the guy behind also is wearing a vest. Big, solid-looking, rough guy. So Sangeeta and me were, driving back. So suddenly I see a huge lot of people there, ek bheed ikhatti hui wahan par. So I drive by slowly, and I see that man that we saw on the scooter was fallen down. Then people just looking, standing, not doing anything. So I stopped the car. I remember Anna Singh also was there. So I sent Sangeeta in Anna Singh's car. I went down, got off of my car. I picked both those guys. I remember one guy was slightly okay. But this guy was the guy who was riding the scooter. His whole head has split from here to here. His eyebrow was latgoing here. His knee was gone. His shoulder was, had come off. And he was unconscious. So I picked him up, put him in the car. I put the other guy. I remember my uncles from my mom's side, they live in Mahim. They're all doctors and all. So they play carom in the nights. So they were playing carom. I didn't know that. So I went to the house in Mahim, to my Nani's house, and I said, Dilip uncle, look at this guy. He's all... This is a case that we will not be able to take care of. You take him to Baba Hospital. So I took him to Baba Hospital. Because, at that point in time, you would get in trouble if you took somebody to the hospital. वो सब वो चक्कर था कि आप पहले, घसीटे के अंदर आ जाते थे उस वक्त. So I took him to Baba Hospital. They asked me a few thousand questions, वगैरह जो भी था. And so suddenly this, while driving there, this man gets up. He says, brother, my name is Jai Burade. I'm a dance director. So I said, shit, I'm supposed to meet you tomorrow. They say, yo, Salim Khan's son, Salman. They say, yeah. Oh, wow. What a way to meet. Damn. ऐसा पिक्चर शुरू नहीं हुई ये हमारा डांस डायरेक्टर खत्म हो गया अरे मैं बोला बाप रे बाप anyway so
I remember you calling me that are we meeting him tomorrow? I said yes, I have already met him, he's in front of me.
So anyway I took him, he said brother, and then he gets up. होश वहाँ पर आता है उनको जब 5:30-6 बजे को वो टाके वाके लग गए पूरे. And I take him home. His wife opens the door. आइए. तो ऐसे मासी जी क्या रोज का है? So she does that. Anyway, he removes a quarter and he starts doing the short division of the songs of मैंने प्यार किया. तो ऐसे कमाल है यार. So then I call him up in the morning. I said, your dance director is working with, I think, some 150 stitches on his head. So what happened? Then I told him the whole incident. So then he came to his house. Then they started, and he also, if he's working, then he's also working. Then I'm sitting down there. Now they're doing short division. Now in 2 vodkas, or I don't know what he was drinking, he forgot his pain or whatever. Utara ho gaya. So now he's only working there. Cut to. We started Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Then he did Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Hum Saath Saath Hain with us. And then I got to know that he was unwell, so we helped him out. They removed a huge cancer from his stomach. Nice. I like. So we removed that whole cancer. He was fine. And then one day I get a call from his son that we were at Mount Mary at that ashram here, and dad is no more, and we're taking him to Baba Hospital. So I said, I'm on my way there only. And it was like a lot of traffic was there. So I remember that I was right next to the house only. I was going home. This is next to Mehboob Studio, right outside. There's a lot of traffic. I remember Arjun Rampal was also stuck in that stuck in that traffic. So I got off the car. I started walking towards home, and I passed an ambulance. And something, you know, like how in movies you feel that something is that you feel some connect. So I walked ahead, and suddenly I hear his son Vicky saying, "Salman bhai." And I said, "Oh shit, it is him." I turned back, and it was Jai Burade lying there in that ambulance. So I opened the ambulance ka darwaza, I sat in it. So just imagine, 27 years ago, my first meeting with Jai Burade was taking him to Baba Hospital. The last meeting, the roundup was taking him back to Baba Hospital. 27 years later. I mean, what are the odds of something like this happening?
ओके सलमान साहब, मेरा सवाल था, आपने कहा भी कि आप जाएं अपने घर के सभी लोगों को लेके जाएं, फिल्म देख के आएं. डू यू गॉट इमोशनल व्हाइल फिल्मिंग द प्रेम रतन धन भाई? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, सूरज बाबू सेड यस्टरडे कि जब गेट टुगेदर था कल, तो उन्होंने जिक्र किया इस बात का कि शूट करते चले गए, करते चले गए, और बाद में पता लगा कि बजट बढ़ता चला गया. और आपकी फिल्मों की अगर हम बात करें, 200 करोड़ 300 करोड़ कोई मामूली बात है सलमान खान की फिल्म को उतना कमाना. तो कितने की उम्मीद कर रहे हैं आप, कि कितने में संतुष्टि होगी?
सर बजट तो इन्हीं को पता है सर. बजट के हिसाब से जाओगे तो बजट के हिसाब से जाओगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही कमाना पड़ेगा इस फिल्म को. बट इन्होंने तो हर चीज़, जब भी सूरज बाबू मेरी लाइफ के अंदर आए हैं, नो मैटर एट वॉट एवर लेवल दैट आई हैव बिन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, मतलब कुछ नहीं था, फिर थोड़ा कुछ हो गया, फिर वापस डाउन चला गया, हमेशा से जब भी ये इन्होंने मेरे साथ काम किया, ये मेरी लाइफ में आए, तो मेरा ये लेवल ये फोल्ड्स उठा के चले गए. अब बजरंगी भाईजान के बाद हमने सोचा था कि ये पीक है as far as production is concerned, as far as the film is concerned. अब इसके बाद क्या होगा? ये आए, उन्होंने बजरंगी भाईजान को एक ऐसा होता है ना कि वो छोटी पिक्चर करार कर दी. This film is a much better, more beautiful film than Bajrangi Bhaijaan. And that is the reason why as well that we got Bajrangi Bhaijaan out for us. Halake, this film was signed much before. So Kick, we started shooting for your film, then we started shooting for Kick, then I finished Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and then this one. So Kick, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, as far as the film is concerned, okay, the level of the film, that this film had to come on top of Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Kick.
All right, guys. Should we wrap up?
A last question.
Yeah. One last question. Yeah.
Salman
sure.
sir, can we also say that you are starting a new trend of promoting the films through dub smash?
Ji haan, you will have to go to Shah Rukh's thing today, na?
Yes, sir.
Shah Rukh ka bhi hai, na? Okay. Wish him all the best from my side. Yesterday we both did some dub smashes for each other.
So is it really helpful?
Huh?
For a film like Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, sir?
What is helpful?
So dub smash videos, because you have asked
it's
so many.
It's a good feel, yeah. As we were doing nothing, so we thought that the fans would enjoy it. It gets a nice feel to it. Gets a nice connect. You guys see it, you guys enjoy it, because I see all the kids going through it, and I don't hardly see it, but the younger generation, then the press also picks it up. They also show it. So it's a nice feel to it. There's nothing wrong in this. It just gets you closer.
Thank you, guys.
Suraj sir.
Okay, one sec. They're just asking. I'll just take the one last. Any piracy issues, sir? Are you taking any precautions? They're just asking that. No, as it is. Just make sure you watch it in theater. Thank you so much, guys. We'll take some solo photographs.
I wish you,
Diwali
wish you
wish.
all,
Oh.
wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Wish you. Sir, I'm celebrating my Diwali today, sir, by telling people to go and celebrate their Diwali in the theaters, close or far to them.
Thank you very much. I'd like some solo photographs, sir, if you could just give them. Yeah.